Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all can see, this is my fashion collection file which I prepared during my final year at INIFD. I will be showing you all the details, the boards and my collection sketches to the final garment showcase at the fashion show. So guys, my teachers helped me a lot in preparing this project report, or you can say the whole design process which we have to make from the inspiration board to the final sketches. So it's a journey of how you develop your own creative garments. So it's totally your own ideas, and you can see the contents here, the boards which I have included, and the name of my collection is Katha, which means storytelling through art. You will get to know as you move along with the boards. Here you can see I have started with the inspiration and then the theme board. In the inspiration I have taken Madhubani art from, which is very popular in the state of Bihar from India. I really like the colors and the lines and the shapes used in this art form. So this is my inspiration, and in the theme I have taken the stories of Assam. So I have used the Mithila painting to depict the stories of Assam. So for the 7 garments I have taken 7 different stories. So that's why guys the name means Katha, which is storytelling. So here you can see how my inspiration is followed by the theme. So both are interlinked. After that you can see we have the mood board and the storyboard. In the mood board I have tried to capture the whole mood of my garment, which is like very colorful with intricate detailing. It's totally inspired from the colors and the details of the Madhubani. And here we have the storyboard, which includes the original illustration, the flats, maybe some swatches of the fabrics. So overall it depicts the whole idea behind your total collection. It's something like which tells a story and the whole journey on how you started and how the whole process has been going on. So this is how I developed the idea behind storytelling, because Madhubani itself tells story through its paintings. So after that we have the color board, which I have used in my garments and the handworks painted over the garments. So guys, here you can read about the brief of my collection, and yeah, let's move to the illustrations now. So as you can see I have labeled K01, which means Katha 01, and this is the style number. So I have total 7 different styles in this single collection under Katha, and here I have also written little bit about the whole idea behind this particular style. So I have done this for the 7 different styles under this collection. So as I've said you guys already that I've picked 7 different stories which I'm going to show using the art form of Madhubani. I was inspired from the Madhubani painting style. And guys, here you can see the overall collection, the front and the back of the sketches. And finally here we have the look board. I've kept the look board very minimal and using the silhouettes and the color blocking to show the overall silhouettes and the color combinations here to give the whole idea behind the collection. So for the look board you can see I have used the stylized form of the illustration. After the boards and the illustrations we have the technical part of the garment construction and the costing sheet, where I have given the details on all of the styles, that is the like total 7 styles, the total 7 different garments in each individual sheet. And it's a little bit technical guys. You can see the measurements, the flat sketches, the costing with the fabrics and everything. So yeah, this is very important when you want to show more detailed manner, and it's a very important process in the designing field as well, where you need to do your calculations, and the budget is at question, and also how you are going to construct the garment, that is the technical parts of the garments. And after that we have the fabric and the trim board. In this one you are going to paste all the swatches of the fabrics or any extra element, like maybe some embroidery swatches, some extra embellishments, or you have used any type of zipper or certain elements like that. Finally, the client board, which shows all the information for the client, like which kind of client you are targeting, your collection, and lastly the conclusion on your whole experience. So guys, few glimpse of the whole design process here. This were all hand painted, and my teachers, they helped me a lot during the whole process, and I really enjoyed the whole journey from the starting path to the final runway show where the collection was showcased. So guys, here you can see the side by side comparison of the illustrations with the final outcome that is on the garments. So yeah, this was one of my most beautiful experience, and I was also awarded the best student for the session by INFD Guwahati for my dedication and hard work. So big thanks to everyone, and also I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any other questions or queries or suggestions, do leave them in the comment section. I will see you all very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.